Ready? Okay. We're rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. What's up, guys? I'm Jeremy here at the NANLUX NANLITE booth for Cine 2023. Finally back at the Paramount Studios, which is great after 4 years of pandemic and being at the LA Convention Center, which is, I'm glad it's in the past. So it's great to be back. So for the first time, we're providing a volume stage provided to us by Stargate Studios over from Pasadena. And it's headed by Sam Nicholson. He has amazing production that he does for a lot of major TV shows, movies, and things like that. And it's awesome to see them incorporating the NANLUX and NANLITE fixtures into their productions. So now that the Evoke 900C has Ethernet, that's really making it a little more viable. But they're still able to work with DMX and things like that. But the future is Ethernet and even beyond Ethernet. So we're just working with people like him that can keep us on the cutting edge. So we have the lights provided, do the job that productions need. So it's really great. So I can't wait till you guys get to see what they're able to do at our booth with the lights and the scenes that they create. That looks like they're all over the world, but they're just sitting here at the booth. So it's really cool to see that. We also have the Pavo mats, which are coming soon. They're not the final version, but there's just things that people can see, like a preview, pre-production version, prototypes. I think that's going to be an awesome kit to see for those on the NANLITE side. And we got some more stuff coming from the NANLITE side too, but we haven't quite been ready to announce those yet too. So anyway, we got our great shower booth for the Evoke 900C or any Evoke. So you can see the weather sealing and IP rating of that light that's so effective and useful. It's really fun to see. We have our 4-up for the Evoke series where you have 4 Evokes that you can have set up on a stand and produce, I don't know. You know, each light is a 5K tungsten equivalent, so you're getting 20K of light that's running out of house power that you can do a lot of amazing things with. So if you have that, that's actually been something that's just started shipping after NAB, and it's doing quite amazing things with people that already ordered them to be able to do great things and new things that they haven't been able to do without using a generator. So that's what's awesome about the Evoke. So anyway, it's really good to see you guys. Really good to see Walter and his amazing one-man band, literally one-man band setup, man. He's got like 3-4 cameras, quality, professional audio, and all that cool stuff. So anyway, my name's Jeremy for NANLUX and NANLITE here at Cine 2023. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you soon. And right behind me, we have the new Evoke 2400B. Now that fan you hear is not the Evoke. That is a blower for our volume stage. It's blowing, keeping things cool and as well to blow snow. So that is not the Evoke 2400B fan. But about the fan on there, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how quiet it really is. So right now what we have is a prototype. So we can't really go into specifics, either photometrics or a lot of things. But some of the things that I think is really going to be exciting for the people that order them when they do ship is that there's going to be a lot of practical applications. Even though it's 2,400 watts, that doesn't mean that you're going to be limited in where you can use it. So it's going to be amazing. So like I said, this is a prototype. There's a lot of things to be finalized before we have a production unit. So I won't say this or that or anything like that at the moment because things can change between now and when it ships. So anyway, stay tuned throughout this summer and when we get closer to ship time to get more information. But I think it's a pretty awesome light. There's going to be a lot of amazing accessories to go with it, and it's going to be awesome for existing Evoke owners. So anyway, I hope you guys get a chance to stay in touch with us, follow Walter's channel, and we'll see you soon.